Thanks for joining me on How I Do Life.
Okay, so today I'm going to be making bruschetta with homegrown tomatoes, homegrown basil, and garlic. And I will also be using olive oil. And then for the crostinis, I will be using a baguette, just a French baguette, along with 3 tablespoons of butter. So I like using the cherry tomatoes because I feel like they have a better taste and they're just red and firm all the way through. So I use a serrated knife because it's easier to cut. And then after I have them cut, just to let most of the tomato juice come out of it so it doesn't make the crostini all wet and mushy, I do put them in a strainer with a bowl and it will catch any of the excess juice.
Our yellow lab pumpkin is so cute, and she loves to hang around when I'm cooking, just in case I drop anything. I know it may look like it's sped up, but I really am that fast at chopping. I think pumpkin seems sad because I haven't dropped anything yet. We're just going to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil here. I also forgot to add that you can add salt to taste. I guess I didn't pick enough basil the first time around. All right, that's better.
Okay, so to make the crostini, you will need a cookie sheet with the paper. So I like to cut it at an angle. I like to cut it thin.
You can also cut it thick if you like. No judgment here, you do you.
Okay, so after you have your bread cut, we're just going to lay out crostini, well, the bread. I've tried to fit as many as I can. And then I prefer to use butter. I think it has a good flavor.
Next, you want to stick these in the oven and broil them on high just for a couple of minutes because they will burn quickly. I hope you guys enjoy these as much as we do. If you want to see more on how I do life, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.